Hey out there, Raiderland, you're listening to the best station in the city. Don't touch that dial. We got music from morning, noon till night. All your greatest hits here on the station that makes you want to listen.
Yo, VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. All right, stop. Collaborate and listen. I sit back with my brand.
The forecast, showers and thunderstorms today with strong southwesterly winds to 37 miles per hour. We'll have a high of 59 degrees with the temperature dropping rapidly towards this evening.